Well, today is back to reality. It is a travel day. If you've been living under a rock and you don't know what Cadillac Ranch is, it's that. So I'm having soup from a can, cold. Here, I think is the proper answer. Johnny was here. Well, today is back to reality. It is a travel day. The sun is coming up very early. I feel good. Did a once around, everything looks good. Check the oil, check the water, all that kind of stuff. And so today I'm gonna go from eastern Oklahoma to Santa Fe, New Mexico. I am very excited about Santa Fe. I love Santa Fe, love Santa Fe. I love New Mexico. It's the best food. It's the best state with the best food. It's not the best state, but it is the best food in the state, out of all the states. Got a good sunrise going on. Let's get this show on the road. Let's go. Don't do it. You mother... The Wichita Mountains in Oklahoma. I'm absolutely blown away. And I love when you find places like this. Like, I feel like I barely scratched the surface. I cannot wait to come back here. There's just bison everywhere. There's mountains to climb. There's hiking. There's lakes. It's gorgeous. I'm driving through a preserve right now. Look at this. It's just beautiful here. Put it on your radar. Wichita Mountains. It's awesome. And it's in Oklahoma! Oklahoma! Oklahoma, you are okay with me. So I have driven by this place and I've seen so many billboards so many times over the years. I don't know, maybe 4 times. I decided to finally stop. Did not have the 72-ounce steak because that is crazy. And another crazy story I just learned, that the record for the fastest eating it is a woman named Molly who ate it in 4 minutes and 58 seconds. And then she ate another one in 9 minutes in the same sitting, because you have to eat it all within an hour. So she ate 2 of them in like 15 minutes. It's crazy. People are crazy. Look, I know it's corny, but I had to stop at Cadillac Ranch. It's another place I've passed by quite a few times and I've never stopped. Let's go see what we got here. And let's just take a guess on how many dicks. Huh? How many do you think? Let's put the over-under on 75 dicks painted on these cars. Probably 75. I'm taking the over. If you've been living under a rock and you don't know what Cadillac Ranch is, it's that. It's just a bunch of old Cadillacs dug halfway into the dirt. And people come here and spray paint. It's just so thick with paint. Look how thick that is. Every inch. Neat. I am glad I stopped though. I have wanted to see this. And what they don't tell you from the videos that I've seen on this is how bad it smells. I'm like in the middle of a pasture and it smells like I'm in the middle of a pasture. See if I recognize any tags. Hey, check it out. There's another JG in this world. You know those places that you go to that you've heard about and you can imagine that they can only be one thing? This is that. It's cars in the ground. Neat. Is it worth the stop? I don't know, man, maybe. I was on my way. That took me 5 minutes. And I'm thinking the under on the dicks. I only saw maybe 10, so I think the under surprised me. Usually where you see graffiti, you see dicks. That's throughout time. You see petroglyphs of dicks. The history of mankind. We like to draw dicks. All right, moving on to Santa Fe. I'm here, Santa Fe. Well, kind of like in the mountains of Santa Fe. Made it to my campground, which I didn't realize is at 8,500 feet. So it's very high elevation. So I have a lot of this to deal with. Why? Because of that. I got snow going on. It's snow everywhere up here. Should be fun. So I bought food. I really did. I stopped at Albertsons. I bought a steak because I was going to celebrate being up here in the mountains. Some asparagus. But I have a washed out campground. I just didn't feel like setting up a table. And it's getting really, really cold. And I drove for 11 hours today. And I'm tired. And I'm out of breath just from saying these words at only 8,500 feet of elevation. So I'm having soup from a can. Cold. Don't judge me. It's delicious. Look, I love my van, but sometimes, just sometimes, you need a break. Like a hotel room with a king-size bed and a shower and not a pit toilet to poop in. I'm excited. So I'm in Santa Fe. This is Coyote South. It was like under $100. I'm excited. It's got a free shuttle to downtown. So I'm gonna go check out downtown and we'll go from there. I am definitely trying my best to channel my inner Anthony Bourdain today. Had some mole enchiladas in downtown Santa Fe, just walking around, eating everything I can. They suck, by the way. They were dry. Mole sauce felt like it had been there forever. I love this area. I love Santa Fe. I love walking around. It's so beautiful. Plus, I got a free ride here from my hotel. That's right, I'm staying at a hotel. I'm fancy. And they're gonna pick me up. I have all afternoon. I'm just gonna eat all day. Everything you have to offer, Santa Fe, bring it on. I would spend the rest of that afternoon eating and drinking my way around the city, visiting historic landmarks, exploring churches, meeting new friends, and living a life most people only dream about. But the reality sunk in as soon as I got back to my hotel. The reality of loneliness, of emptiness, of not truly having a purpose. But that feeling would soon be met with an answer. I found a dog. Something that would ultimately alter this trip and my life forever. But that, friends, is a story for another day. Until next time, keep exploring life with an open mind.